Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to copy from Google Slides to Google Docs. Have you ever found yourself in this situation where you need to transfer content from a lively presentation in Google Slides to a more detailed text document in Google Docs? Well, you're certainly not alone. This is a common task for many of us who use Google Workspace for various projects. Today, we'll break down this process into simple steps that will help you transition your content smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. To kick things off, we're going to open Google Slides. First things first, head over to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not signed into your Google account yet, take a moment to do so by entering your login details. This step is crucial, as it grants you access to your presentations and all the wonderful features Google has to offer. Once you're logged in, the Google Slides dashboard will appear. Here you have the option to either create a brand new presentation or select from a variety of templates that best fit your needs. Choose whatever aligns with your current project or task. After setting up your presentation, the next step is to locate the slide that contains the text you wish to copy over to Google Docs. To do this, simply browse through your slides until you find the exact one you need. Now it's time to highlight the desired text. Click on the text box within the slide and carefully select the text you intend to transfer. This is a crucial step, so make sure you highlight accurately. Once you've selected your text, there are a couple of easy methods to copy it. If you're using a Mac, press Command and C simultaneously, or if you're on a Windows device, press Ctrl and C together. These keyboard shortcuts are quick and efficient. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selected text and choose the copy option from the drop-down menu that appears. Either way, your text is now safely copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now, let's shift gears and move over to Google Docs. Navigate to the Google Docs homepage, which should feel familiar if you've used other Google Workspace applications. Here, you can either create a new blank document or open an existing document where you'd like to paste your copied text. Once your document is open, decide where you want your text to appear and place your cursor there. Pasting your copied text is as straightforward as copying it. On a Mac, press Command and V, or on a Windows device, press Ctrl and V. Alternatively, you can right-click where your cursor is and select Paste from the menu options. And there you have it. The text from your Google Slides presentation is now successfully transferred into your Google Docs document. This seamless process allows you to efficiently move your content between platforms, optimizing your workflow and ensuring that your information is exactly where you need it. If you find the need to adjust formatting or make edits, both Google Slides and Google Docs provide a wealth of editing tools to tailor your text to your liking. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to copy from Google Slides to Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to copy from Google Slides to Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore our other how-to videos for more insightful tips and tricks.